Today we're going to look at ProCharge and how to use the e-invoicing solution. You have to go to ProCharge, log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your navigation bar from the top, from the left to the right. First, we have to add customer. And when we go into customer, we'll go to add. The dialog box will appear to put in the information. In this case, we're going to use the first name and last name as Tim Test. Email address is very recommended. Phone number and the rest is optional. Now you see we have the customer added, and we need to go to invoice, or we can go to new invoice to the bottom right at any rate. If you go to invoice on the navigation bar, you'll see your option there to add. Regardless of which way you navigate to get there, this is what you'll see. You put in the name of Tim Test. And it will pre-fill his information, Tim Test. You need the amount, the due date, which is advisable to do the current date, whatever date you're working with. The invoice number, you'll notice asterisk in red, is generated by ProCharge, more of an internal number. Description, if you sent the invoice or going to attach an email, you might put your description here of your invoice number. So now we have the invoice added, and we have to go now to get the, at this point rather, let me say that the system, unless you've turned it off, and that's an option, is it's already sent an email to the recipient. But let's say that they didn't get it, or you want to just send your own particular email with the link for them to pay the invoice. This is where you would go in to pick up that information. So invoice, you'll find the invoice you just created. Click and you'll see your UPay URL or UPay payment URL. Copy it to your clipboard. This is what it looks like, similar to this. And once they get an email, however they may get it, they click it. This is a landing page for them to go into in their payment information. As long as you put an email address in their customer information, they'll get a receipt showing that the payment was successful or declined. That completes this tutorial of e-invoicing in ProCharge.